Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. The Nissan 400Z and the newer Nissan 400Z represent the pure spirit of Japanese sports cars, delivering raw performance, aggressive styling, and an engaging driving experience that enthusiasts crave. These cars are built for drivers who want a true connection to the road, no distractions, no unnecessary complications, just pure thrill behind the wheel. The 400Z, with its iconic long hood short deck design, immediately shows off its classic Z-car heritage, while the 400Z evolves this look with sharper lines, retro-inspired details, and modern touches that nod to the legendary 240Z. Both models stand low and wide, giving them a planted stance that looks ready to attack the pavement even when standing still. The bold headlights, muscular fenders, and chiseled bodywork make these cars unmistakable, turning heads whether cruising down the highway or parked at a local car meet. Under the hood, both Z models deliver the kind of performance that keeps the Z legacy alive. The 370Z is powered by a naturally aspirated 3.7-liter V6 that produces impressive horsepower, delivering a smooth yet aggressive surge of power that responds instantly to driver inputs. Its high revving nature and strong torque curve create a driving experience that feels alive, especially when paired with the crisp manual transmission. The 400Z takes everything to the next level with a twin turbocharged 3.0-liter V6, providing a massive jump in both power and torque. This engine brings modern turbo performance to the Z lineup, offering explosive acceleration, strong mid-range pull, and a thrilling soundtrack that matches the car's aggressive personality. With the choice of a 6-speed manual or 9-speed automatic, the 400Z caters to purists and modern drivers alike, making it one of the most exciting sports cars in its class. Behind the wheel, the 370Z and 400Z deliver an exhilarating driving experience rooted in balance, precision, and driver engagement. The chassis is tuned for sharp handling, allowing the car to feel agile and responsive through every corner. Steering feedback is direct and satisfying, letting drivers feel the road beneath them, while the suspension keeps the car composed during spirited drives without becoming overly harsh for daily use. The 400Z features updated suspension geometry and improved rigidity, giving it superior stability and control at high speeds. Whether carving canyon roads or enjoying a spirited drive through the city, both models deliver a sense of excitement and involvement that few modern cars can match at their price point. Inside, the Z cars blend modern functionality with sporty design, creating a cockpit that feels purpose-built for drivers. The 370Z offers a simple, performance-focused layout with clear gauges, supportive seats, and a no-nonsense interior that puts the driver first. The 400Z elevates this experience with a more modern cabin, featuring a digital gauge cluster, larger touchscreen, improved materials, and updated technology. Despite the upgrades, the focus remains on performance, with a low seating position, easily accessible controls, and the layout that encourages spirited driving. The seats hold you firmly in place during aggressive cornering, and the short-throw shifter in the manual models adds to the mechanical feel that enthusiasts love. While the Z cars are primarily about performance and excitement, they also offer enough practicality to make them suitable for everyday use. The hatchback design provides decent cargo space for a sports car, and the compact dimensions make parking and maneuvering easy in urban environments. The 400Z's updated tech features, including smartphone integration, premium audio options, and improved safety systems, bring the Z car into the modern era without sacrificing its classic spirit. These additions make the 400Z more versatile and comfortable for daily driving, while still delivering the raw excitement that defines the Z legacy. Ultimately, the Nissan 370Z and 400Z celebrate everything that makes sports cars exciting: powerful engines, striking design, responsive handling, and an emotional driving experience. They carry the heritage of one of Japan's most iconic performance lineups, offering enthusiasts a chance to enjoy pure, unfiltered driving pleasure at a price point that remains accessible. Whether you admire the 370Z for its simplicity and naturally aspirated charm, or the 400Z for its modern performance and turbocharged power, both models continue the legacy of the Z brand with pride, making them standout choices for anyone who loves the thrill of the open road.